Banzai Credit Score Honest Review. Watch before using. Banzai Credit Score is an app designed to help you understand and improve your credit score through personalized insights, financial education, and actionable tips. It's aimed at people looking to get a better grasp of their financial health, whether you're just starting out with credit, trying to recover from a low score, or looking to boost an already decent rating. One of its standout features is that it provides free access to your credit score without any hidden fees or strings attached, unlike some competitors that limit your access behind paywalls or require subscriptions. Additionally, Banzai Credit Score offers detailed credit analysis, breaking down the factors affecting your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and the age of your credit accounts. The app also provides simulations where you can see how future actions, like paying down debt or opening a new credit card, might impact your score. This is especially useful if you're planning on making big financial moves like buying a house or taking out a loan. It's not just about giving you the score, it's about helping you understand the why behind it, which is a crucial step in improving it. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and more experienced users. Another plus is that Banzai offers educational resources and quizzes to deepen your knowledge about credit, which adds significant value if you're trying to improve long-term financial literacy. However, one downside is that it doesn't offer identity theft protection or real-time monitoring for fraud alerts, which some might find essential in a credit management tool. In summary, Banzai Credit Score is perfect for users who want clear, actionable insights into their credit health without unnecessary costs. It's best for those focused on improving or maintaining their credit score through education and simulation tools. Just be aware of its limitations in fraud monitoring. But for credit building and management, it's a solid tool that does what it promises.